Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials: a clear concept, any reference images, and the desired aspect ratio. Once ready, open the image generator and select Generation Mode. This ensures the tool uses the right model. Describe subject, mood, color palette, and composition in one concise, prompt line so the system gets context. Make sure safety filters reflect your content. You do this early because precise inputs dramatically reduce iterations and save time during refinement. Once you have an initial image, refine with targeted edits. Increase or reduce adjectives, change camera angle, or tweak lighting to get the desired feel. Use negative prompts to explicitly exclude elements that keep appearing. This prevents wasting rounds. Also, adjust sliders, creativity, detail, and iterations to balance fidelity versus variety. Make sure to compare generations side by side, and lock features you like so later variations focus only on the changes you request. You finish by selecting Final Render Quality, upscaling if you need higher resolution, and exporting in the right format. After export, do subtle touch-ups in an editor or ask the generator for focused re-renders. For example, change only background or lighting. If results look off, simplify the prompt and test one variable at a time. This isolates the problem. And remember, reset safety settings only if content adheres to guidelines to avoid unexpected rejections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.